So today is actually a really big day. We were blessed and the in-laws took all the kids. So today is our final big push to get all our projects done, all the cleaning done, because in 2 days pictures are being taken and the house is going to be put on the market. This farm is going up for sale, and you know, even though we're getting ready for the next chapter of our lives, you know, it's pretty sad to think about. We put a lot of hard work into this. The goats, the chickens, sheeps, Krista is doing rabbits. So everything is coming to a point right now, and today is it. So last big day to get things done, get things cleaned. And not really, I mean, we had a lot of things to go through. However, right now, today's not that day. It is basically put away. We gotta put away stuff and get ready for these pictures. So the one project that we do gotta do is I gotta put a cap on an area that was made for like, to put stuffed animals in and other, you know, basically a little cabinet just to hide stuff. And I gotta put that top on. And other than that, it's just really cleaning. Like I said, getting the house presentable for pictures and for people to come in here. We've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff went to, you know, Salvation Army, Jubilee, Goodwill, all of those places that accept donations that are really struggling right now because of everything going on. But glad we're able to give some toys to them, some clothes, and also helps us at the same time for decluttering. But we're gonna get on this. It's not that hard of a project, and then we're just cleaning. It's not gonna be that exciting of a video, you know. You guys know how to clean, you guys know how to clean up your house. But that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to try to give you guys a little tour of the house. It's funny, it seems like when you clean, things get messier before it gets better, because just trying to organize stuff. I know that's how I clean. When I cleaned the garage, I literally took everything out of the garage and then I put it back where I wanted it. Might be backwards, but that's just how I clean. I know everyone has their own methods. So we have got a lot of questions about where we're going and what are we looking for. To be honest, we are looking to stay in the area. I guess one of the big things we are looking for is potentially a property that we could fix up the house. You can't really make more land, so if we could find a property that has, you know, great land but not so great of a house, that would be ideal. That way we could fix it up, bring it back to life, and also grow our family there. So that's what we're really looking for, a property where we can fix up, homestead, and raise our family, and so it can be a home. I tell you what, I could be a cabinet maker. With this in the kitchen, this looks pretty good. Well, with this all done, let's go check up inside. To be honest, this wasn't that hard. I'm kind of dreading having to clean and put away everything, but it's got to get done. We almost done up in here?
Yep. Sweeping up.
All right, this is done.
Okay.
Stained it. Where's Joanna? Alright. This is that hole I was talking about. Boom! That looks sweet. I'm gonna end up just gluing it down. I don't want to put some tacks on it because I think you'll be able to see them, but it's turned out pretty good. Alright, with this all done, it is time to get going with cleaning. We're going to bust out the walls, sweep and vacuum, putting stuff away, making sure it all looks good for these pictures and for when people come check out the house. So, that's not too exciting. So, I'm not going to bring you guys along with that. I'm going to spare you of that. However, just know we are working hard and we're excited. We're excited to see what happens and what's in store for our future. Again, we really appreciate you guys tuning in to our lives. If you guys haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Please give us a big thumbs up. And don't be afraid to leave any comments. Let me know what projects you guys got going on, what milestones are happening in your life. And let me know if you guys need any prayer requests. I'll see you guys on the next video.